Here we go, IKEA in Dubai at Festival City. And there's gonna be an IKEA cafe. Okay, so by now I've been to a few IKEAs around the world. Look, my thing is I like to see the different foods and how IKEA tailors to the local market. So last time I was in Malaysia, but let's check out the IKEA in Dubai. How'd you like that? Store opening hours till midnight. Oh my goodness, could you imagine being an employee here? Most importantly, restaurant open until 10:30 and 11:30 p.m. Look, it all looks the same. IKEA restaurant, except, oh look, Middle Eastern food. Oh, I'm hoping. Hey, there we go. That looks just like IKEA. Let's go to the restaurant. Okay, so we're gonna try a few different foods of the cafeteria that is completely different before we're gonna try the IKEA buffet. I know, an IKEA buffet. That's the highlight. Here's ice cream, 2 scoops is 9 dirhams. Cotton candy, that's all right. All right. Shall we read? Caesar salad, fruit salad, and you can use refillable bottles. That's kind of cool. Okay, so that's, do you want something to drink? All right, what do we want? Battered dynamite shrimp. I want one of those. Lemongrass chicken with stir fry and lasagna. Hi, can I get one of those?
So would you like to have some lasagna?
Did you have like some sort of shawarma chicken or something?
No, downstairs.
That's downstairs. Oh, it's different. Okay. Do you want salmon?
Salmon and the medallion or mashed potato. How would you like to add some lasagna?
No.
What you say?
All right. Oh, we're good. I'm just good with that.
Thank you.
Thank you. Meatballs. Should we try meatballs? There you go. That's your 45 dirham. Spicy chicken strips. Let me try a spring roll as well. Alright, so it's all the same. Scanning the food and paying.
You're talking 89 dirhams.
89. Alright, just on my card, thanks. They don't have the lingonberries and all those. Okay, what are we gonna drink? Peach iced tea. That is for me. This is the spicy chicken wing. Not chicken wing, chicken strip. Oh, what a nice spice. I love this. So these were the spring rolls. I'm assuming they're vegetarian, but maybe not. Maybe they're beef. Cabbage. I love cabbage. That's like with the sweet Thai chili sauce. These are like a spicy chicken, I'm assuming. Looks like a cabbage underneath. They're shrimp, they're not chicken. They're spicy shrimp. I forgot what I ordered myself. They're on a plate of, or a bed of cabbage. This is really good. This is really good. You don't need to come here for meatballs. The other stuff is incredible. This was the salmon. Is that the tartar sauce? What is this? Some sort of, just a white sauce. Now I don't know the seasoning on this, but it certainly looks better than the salmon we serve at our IKEA. Okay, here we go. I don't know if it's a Middle Eastern spice, but it's really good. Okay, yeah, so there's the buffet. It's 99 dirhams, and then you can see. Okay, so from 12:30 to 4, what do we got? Carrot soup, mushroom soup, I love that. Flatbreads, we got salads. Oh, the hummus. The hummus here is absolutely incredible. Different. Those are fun too. Crazy salads. Dill. We got steak. What's that? Steamed rice. Paneer. Barbecue chicken. Oh, a little grilled lamb. Hash browns. Of course, there's going to be meatballs and mashed potatoes. Oh, this is all the stuff that I have over there. This is all what? Fresh pasta. Oh, anything you want. Look, they can just make it for you. What's all this? Hello.
Hello, sir.
That looks like fancy pancakes. Yeah, fancy pancakes and desserts. Hello. Oh, hot dogs. Who doesn't like a hot dog? What's in there? More hot dogs. Everyone likes a hot dog, and I guess that's just desserts. More desserts. There's a tea and a coffee station. And you got donuts. And then you could just load up. It's perfect. You actually will be absolutely stuffed. It makes IKEA in Australia feel very stingy in comparison. And like all IKEAs, you have to exit by going down and out through the maze. Hopefully not buying things. See, there you go, it looks exactly the same. A chicken shawarma at IKEA. So there's the self-serve option. So we're gonna go shawarma, jumbo, then I'll add garlic, fried onion. No, I've just ordered. Hold on, the shawarma's cooking at IKEA. I love it. Alright, so there's my shawarma. I'm unrolling it. Right, this is pretty good. Can't go wrong with chicken and garlic wrapped in lavash bread. Love it. I think this is probably the best IKEA for food in the world. Now, tell me in the comments if you know better IKEAs or if you actually seen better IKEA food than what I've seen here today. This is definitely probably one of the best.